Africa suffering? Africa is endowed with all the rich resources that you can ever have. Africa is rich in gold, bauxite, diamond, forest cover, but yet Africa is impoverished. The youth of Africa are suffering. They are unemployed. They have nothing. They have no hope. Africa has a lot of things that its youth can have the ability to transform, to become wealth for themselves. All African youth think that they must go to school and be employed by the government. But we have rich resources that we young Africans can turn into resources for ourselves. When you come to Dominion Herbal Center, we are specialized in producing medicines for the diseases conditions in Africa. We have medicines for malaria, to cure malaria. We have medicines to cure typhoid. We have medicines to cure all the conditions that Africa tends to have. Here we come to solve the numerous challenges of Africa. Not only disease conditions, but we are also creating employment for the teeming youth who have no jobs, who rely on the government. We are showing the way, Dominion Herbal Center, we are showing the way to the youth of Africa that it's not only government that can produce the jobs that we desire, but with our own self, we can produce the diseases that we can produce the medicines. We can create jobs for our own selves. We need not go to the university and come back and think that somebody will create jobs for us. Let us use our own might. Let us use our own mind. Let us use our creativity to create something for the African continent. Africa can develop by their own African people. Africa cannot develop with the help of anybody. Should we rely on people? It will be difficult for Africa to take its own course to prosperity. African youths, we are here at Dominion Herbal Center to bring out, by solving the health needs of the people, we are creating also jobs for our own people. We are creating jobs for the teeming youth. We are leading the way to show that Africa, the youth of Africa, have the ability. We can do it. We can start our own business. We can create our own ventures. We can invest in our own self, so that the university that we have gone to, the polytechnics that we have gone to, all the places that we have gone to, will have the opportunity to create something. We will not depend on the government. We will not depend on the society to create jobs for us. We ourselves can create these jobs for ourselves. We can do it. We, the young leaders of Africa, when we rise up, that is when Africa is going to develop. That is when Africa is going to transform from its current state to a modern state. So many countries that have developed, so many developed countries have no resources. They all took their resources from Africa, but now they have the ability to borrow, to give Africa money back. Look at Africa, how disease conditions are affecting Africa. We are here, we are able to create our own resources. We can turn our own resources into profitable use. We can turn our own resources into good use, so that the African continent can develop. We cannot depend on somebody to create the necessary environment, the enabling environment for us to develop. We, the youth of Africa, we are here at Dominion Center. We are here to create the businesses that we have. we intend to create. Everybody thinks that government should give him or her job. No, we are using our own mind, our own creativity, our own ingenuity to create the businesses that we have for ourselves. It is not the government that will develop us, but it is our own leadership. Our young leaders, as young leaders, we will be able to create the necessary businesses. We will be able to create the necessary environment to be able to come up with the necessary things that we have. At Dominion Center, we have taken it upon ourselves to solve the health needs of the African continent, thereby creating jobs for the teeming youth who graduate from school each year. We are leading the way to tell them that you can do it as a university graduate. You don't need to wait for somebody to create a job for you. You can create a job yourself. You can start something small. You don't need to start big. Start something small. Start with even 1 Ghana cedi. The consistency at which you start, the consistency at which you go on, that will lead you to your dream career. A lot of people are university dropouts, but they made it after all. Bill Gates made it after all. He's not a university graduate. Steve Jobs is not a university graduate, but he came out with Apple, and now he late, but everybody mentions his name and says that Steve Jobs has done something great for for the world at large. We at Dominion Center, that is what we are trying to do, to create jobs, to show leadership to the African teeming youth, to tell them that we can do it with our own ability. We can do it. We don't go to the university to go and study and come back and be looking for jobs, non-existent jobs, but we are here to create jobs that people can also benefit from. This is what we do at Dominion. Dominion Herbal Center shows leadership. Dominion Herbal Center shows that it can be done. It can be done. After you have studied, you can use your own mind. You can show leadership by creating your own thing. Wherever you find yourself, use your hand to do the little things that you have, so that you'll be able to achieve the greater things. No company in the world started big time. They all started small. That's why we at Dominion, we have started small, and gradually in 10 years, in the next 3 years, we hope to be one of the biggest herbal companies in Ghana, if not in West Africa. We are hoping that in the next 3 years, Dominion Herbal Center will be one of the biggest herbal companies, providing solutions in the health industry, providing solutions in the fight against malaria, which is the #1 killer of the African. Today, we have the opportunity. If you are listening to me today as a young African, you have the opportunity, you have the ability to be part of this vast movement of people, of young people who are trying to use their mind, who are trying to do whatever they have studied in school. It is not only studying in school and coming to look for non-existent jobs, but coming to use your own mind, coming to create even the little things that you can create. You create it, and you impact the world. We want to impact the world. We want to impact the world with our products, the products that we do. This products is going a long way to solve the problems of Africa. We are in the health industry, promoting good health. We are promoting good hygiene, so that everybody that comes in contact with Dominion Herbal Center will have his problem solved. We want to be the #1 best herbal company in Ghana in the next 3 years. Let us come together as African youth. Let us show leadership. Let us show our people that we can do it. We, not only in the herbal industry, wherever industry you find yourself, try as much as possible to create something. God bless you. May God continue to keep you.